I feel so content looking at you. Everything is just as it should be. I wouldn't change a thing.
Today, most AI video generators available in the market are paid, and only a few provide high-quality image and video generation for free. Because of this, finding a tool that is both powerful and completely free can be quite difficult. But in this video, I'm going to introduce you to an AI video generator that works as a strong alternative to Grok. This tool can generate both high-quality images and videos with impressive results. What makes it even more exciting is that it's completely free to use, and with the right approach, you can even use it without any limits. Yes, you heard that right, absolutely unlimited. I'll show you exactly how to do that later in the video.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Step 1. Creating account. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, and it will take you directly to the mage.space website. Once you're there, simply sign up. It's quick and easy. You can create an account using your Gmail or any other email address. Step 2. Text to image. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with an interface like this, the main dashboard of the mage.space AI video generator. It supports text to image, reference to image, image to video, and text to video. Scroll down a bit to explore a collection of images and videos created by other users. By clicking on any item, you can access detailed information, including the original prompt and the AI model used to generate it. Here, you can see that you have 300 gems available. You can use them to generate a variety of images and videos. However, since I mentioned unlimited generations, I'll explain how to do that later. Now, let's create our first image using text with this AI tool. Start by entering your prompt in the prompt box. I'm using a detailed prompt to see how the AI interprets it. Next, click on the Model Selection button and choose from the available options, such as Mango 2 Fast Mode, Guava Fast Mode, Gava Pro Fast Mode, Nano Banana 2 Fast, Nano Banana 2, and Mango Fast Mode. For this example, I'll go with Mango 2 Fast Mode. After that, click on the Advanced Settings. Here, you can select the image resolution, up to 2K or 4K. Then choose your preferred aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9. Finally, click the upload arrow to start generating the image. Within seconds, the AI creates an image based on your prompt, and the quality is truly impressive. We got the exact same output as the prompt we gave to mage.space, which is definitely awesome. Now, let's generate another image using a different prompt to further explore the capabilities of mage.space. Begin by typing our prompt into the prompt box. If you'd like to include a reference image, simply click the plus button to upload one. I'll keep all the other settings unchanged and click the up arrow to generate the image. Within moments, the result appears on the screen. An impressive output that closely matches the prompt, showcasing just how detailed and realistic mage.space can be. Step 3. Image to video. In this third step, let's explore the image to video feature in Mage. Start by clicking on the video button. Then, enter the same prompt I used to generate our first image into the prompt box. Next, go to the first frame section and upload the image that I created earlier. After that, navigate to the model section and choose from the available options such as Peach Max Video, Kiwi Video Fast, Cherry Pro Video, Cherry Video Fast, Veo 3.1 Lite Fast, Blueberry Video Fast, or Peach Video Fast. Now, click on Advanced Settings to customize your video. Here, you can select the aspect ratio, choose the resolution for 80p or 720p, and set the duration to either 5 or 10 seconds. You'll also notice an audio feature, which allows your video to be generated with sound. To further refine your prompt, click on the 3 dots and select Inspire Me for enhancement suggestions. Finally, click the up arrow to generate the video. In just a short time, our video will be ready. Here's the final result. Take a closer look at the result, see how smoothly the animation brings the image to life. The added background music enhances the experience, making the video feel vibrant and engaging. Click Save to add it to your creations, edit to make changes, or extend to lengthen the video. You can also click the 3 dots to download it to your device. Let's generate another video. Start by entering the prompt in the description box, then upload the image we created earlier in the first frame. Leave the rest of the settings as they are and click the up arrow. Here's the result.
I feel so content looking at you. Everything is just as it should be.
Absolutely
I wouldn't
incredible.
change a thing.
A static image turns into a dynamic, animated video in just seconds. What really makes it impressive is how natural the motion feels, the details are smooth, and the lip sync matches flawlessly. This AI video generator truly delivers remarkable results. Step 4. Text to video. Now, let's try the text to video feature. Simply enter your prompt in the prompt box. I'm using a detailed one to fully explore Mage AI's capabilities. Next, go to the model section and select Peach Video Fast, which uses only 75 gems. Then, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio and click the up arrow. Within moments, our video is generated. Let's take a look at the result. The result is truly outstanding. The video aligns perfectly with the prompt, showing just how powerful this tool is. It highlights that creating high-quality ads no longer needs a full production team or a big budget. AI now makes it possible to produce professional-looking content quickly and affordably. Let's create another video using the text-to-video feature. This time, I've entered a new prompt in the description box and clicked the up arrow. And here is the output. This is really impressive. The video matches the prompt accurately, and the overall quality is solid, making the scene look engaging and visually appealing. In conclusion, Mage AI is a fully integrated AI video generation platform. From the app section, you can access a wide range of tools such as Image Enhancer, Video Enhancer, Skin Enhancer, Face Swap, InPaint, Character Swap, Outfit Swap, Relight, and Character Creator, all available in one place. I've also created several videos using the image-to-video and text-to-video tools, and the results have been truly outstanding. The video quality is impressive, featuring sharp visuals and smooth, natural-looking animations. What really surprised me is how accurately the AI understood my prompts and transformed them into visuals that closely matched my imagination. It's amazing to see an idea come to life as a realistic video within just a few moments. Even more impressive is that the entire process is completely free to use. Finally, let me share how you can generate unlimited videos like me. When you have completed 300 gems by generating images and videos, create a new account with a temp email and then generate images and videos using it, and then when your gems are complete, generate another account. In this way, you can unlock the ability to generate a large number of images and videos daily with Mage AI.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.